Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve one of the annoying issues that is Chrome keeps crashing or stopping on Android phone. Many users have complained about this problem, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Most probably Chrome keeps stopping on Android due to accumulating a large numbers of Chrome cache files, the issue with the operating system and outdated version of the browser. Now, let's move on to know how to fix. Unfortunately, Chrome has stopped on Android issue with 6 best fixes. Fix 1. Restart your Android device. To fix Chrome keeps stopping on Android by restarting your device, you have to press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. After that, check if Android SIM not provisioned error is solved. Fix 2. Clear data and cache of Chrome app. As I have told you earlier, cache can be the culprit for error messages, so you should work on it. Some files get corrupted, which creates problems for users, and so it is important to clear the data and cache of the browser. To do so, you have to first, go to Settings, then Apps, then Find and click on Google Chrome. After this, go to Storage option, and you can see 2 options: Clear Data and Clear Cache. First, tap on Clear Data to clear all stored data from the browser, and then click on Clear Cache to remove cache files. Fix 3. Close irrelevant tabs on Chrome. Almost every user has a habit of opening too many tabs simultaneously for their daily work. But the routine can sometimes put you at risk, as you may end up opening too many tabs at once and start getting an error message. Leaving all the tabs open will slow down the performance of your phone, as Chrome might eat up most RAM on the device. Therefore, to solve this situation, simply close unnecessary tabs, exit the app, and launch it once again. Fix 4. Update your Android phone. When your phone OS is not updated, then there is a huge chance to come across an error Chrome has stopped on your Android device. In this situation, you need to update your device to the latest OS version. In order to update your device OS, you have to go to the Settings, System. Tap on the System Update, and click on the Check for Updates button. If there is a new update available for your device, click on the Download button. After completing the update process, restart your phone. Fix 5. Factory reset your phone. The last manual solution to fix this issue is factory resetting your phone. However, doing this will wipe out all data on your phone. So, make sure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. In order to do this, open the Settings, then go to the System, and click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the unfortunately Chrome has stopped issue is resolved. Fix 6. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Chrome keeps stopping issue, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. It will help you to fix Chrome keeps stopping on the phone, along with fixing many other system errors and issues, such as the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, black or blue screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix this problem. If you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Chrome keeps crashing on Android. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.